Good morning and welcome to the sunrise on a freezing cold winter's day. Sorry I haven't done an assembly before during this lockdown, not like last time, but I hope you understand that myself and all your other teachers have been incredibly busy preparing and delivering our online lessons. It's been great, a fantastic experience, a steep learning curve, but it does take a lot of time. Anyway, here we are. It's a wonderful snowy morning, fantastic snow like this, it's amazing. You can see how cold it's been because the snow, you cannot make snowballs with it. It's just powdery snow like you get in the Alps for skiing on. Absolutely wonderful. And yet, despite it being absolutely freezing, about -3 at the moment, much colder overnight, there are signs around us that actually spring is on its way and that things will improve and that the long dark winter is slowly coming to an end. So maybe you can just see on this bush here how, despite us being in the middle of winter, all the buds on this bush are about to spring into life and leaves. Give it another month or so and these will be starting to turn green. And if you listen very carefully and watch very carefully, you can see birds down there in the hedgerows. They're already starting to search out places where they might possibly build nests. And there's one coming in to feed now as well. And here we can see snowdrops coming through despite the snow and the cold. Snowdrops generally seen as a real sign of hope and the coming of spring, even when things are really cold and dark and bleak. Here we are in school with a schoolyard totally covered in snow and the sun rising just behind our school building. They say that it's coldest, often coldest, just before the dawn, just before the sun comes up. And when the sun comes up, it gets warm very quickly and things get better very quickly. So let's hope with the vaccine and all the other wonderful things that are happening that better times are on the way. And soon you'll be all here back on the schoolyard, probably without the snow. But it's great because it means that I have got the schoolyard to run around in the snow all to myself. I'm going to have some fun.